Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness of an image on Photopea. So for that, we just need to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image, for which you just need to adjust the brightness. And after dragging it, here we can see the image here. So for adjusting the brightness, here on the top you can see many options, and here is the third option. You can see here image, click on that. And from here, a second option, you can see here adjustments. And from here, as the first option, you can see here brightness or contrast. Click on that. And from here, you can see a section called brightness. From here, you can just adjust it. And after adjusting it, click on OK. So now you can see that you had been adjust the brightness of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.